Hello everybody, and welcome back to WITTFORD and Crivitz. This is Danny Brownie, and I'll be introducing you to this beautiful Explorer that we just received from the factory. Everybody should know that this one is here in iconic silver. It is the ST line Explorer. Look at that special grille, the accents on the front. This is an excellent combination of style and power and functionality. Look at the rims that you get on the ST line package. ST line badging. Get the piano black mirrors and the inserts on the body, or on the door handles. I'll sweep you around the outside of this beauty. Does have the trailering package. Inside, it's got the bucket seats. You can see right away the red stitching, upgraded speakers. Look at that. There's your third row. And above, panoramic roof as they sweep up to the front of the vehicle. In the rear console, got climate control, power options, cup holders. Wait till you see the front. Notice the ST line sill plate and B&O stereo system. Your onboard gauges, automatic headlights. Look at that. That's a lane centering assist, an adaptive cruise control. Gorgeous interior. Your rotary shift knob there saves some space so they can do this design. Look at that, you set your phone there for wireless charging, extra storage space and an armrest. Heated steering wheel, heated seats. Let's start her up for you. This one is 51615, just arrived from the factory in Crivitz, Wisconsin. Give us a call.